Got the fender here, obviously, and I want to make a vent in it. This fender already has a big dent in it, so I figured, why not try to make it look cool? So here is what I have drawn out. I'm going to cut this line, and then cut this line, so I can bend it, and then, see about putting some mesh in there. See what it looks like. See what I can make it look like anyways. So let's get to it. Start with this one here. Oh, shit. All right. Well, I mean, it's getting to how I wanted it. A little shape in here. Oh. Don't like that. And then I'll get some mesh to put right back here. I think it'll look good. I think it'll look good. What I'm gonna have to do is make a spot right here and something to pin it to this as well. Got some time. Let me see what I can do. Okay, got my piece. That goes right in there. Now that that's tacked in, gotta make a piece for the bottom. Here it is with most of it grinded down. Looks pretty damn good. Got the mesh that I'm going to be using for inside the fender vent here. Got a nice hex pattern to it. I mean, it's a little flimsy, but I think in there, it's not going to really matter for that. So I'm going to put it in the area, mark it out. It's hard to see, but I can kind of see where it is. See if I can get a different color marker. I gotta find my safety glasses because I don't know where I put them. Piece is cut out. Now, what I'm going to do, put that over there, this over here, the fender. Alright, I got the piece shaped into how I want it for the vent. Pretty good. I think it fits pretty good in there, just kind of slides right over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cutting some of the excess off of this so it doesn't hang over too much, and then I can tack weld it in place in a couple of spots, and then it'll never go anywhere. And I can finish welding this on the back side of both spots. So I'm going to get that cut up now. Got the piece cut down, and it, if I can put it on right, slides right on there. I think it looks perfect. So now I cleaned it all up. I'm going to tack a couple of these spots here and there, and then tack this in. Here it is on the car, and I think it looks absolutely killer, man. Couldn't have asked for it to come out any better than this. Now, I just gotta try to replicate this on the other side.